It is a great day and it's 7 a.m. in the morning. Today I'm going to show you my day of online classes. So let's get started. Hi, it's me Surendran and good morning. As soon as I wake up, I need to check my email and there is a new mail for me from my lecturer. My lecturer has just uploaded a lecture note and some lecture videos for me to watch and attend the online classes. As soon as I watch the videos, I need to fill up the attendance on time. And I think I need to hurry up. As soon as I wake up, I'll make my bed first to boost my confidence. After a warm bath, I'll wear nice clothes and groom myself to look nicer. Morning exercises are very important for me as it makes me very strong. I'll always make sure to have a heavy breakfast to energize myself. And this is my laptop and I'm getting ready for my online classes. My class starts sharp at 8 a.m. in the morning. After I connect my Wi-Fi and I'll open my mail to open my Google Classroom and to see the latest lecture. Before that, I will make sure that I have downloaded the PDF version of the lecture note that my lecturer uploaded earlier a day in the Google Classroom. As I have opened both of the lecture video and the lecture note, I will go through one by one through the lecture note and the lecture video once again. It is a time for the student inside me to perform. As I'm watching the lecture video, I'll make sure I'll take a piece of paper and a pen to write down every important points that my lecturer mentioned in the lecture video. I also make sure to highlight the important points so that it will be easier for me to memorize or to study before examination. The student inside me is so energetic, diligent, and sharp, isn't he? Ta-da! These are my notes that I wrote down during my online class just now. They are so neat and nice, aren't they? Ha! That's the end of the first class and I'm getting ready for the next class.